Hey there guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge with Gramophone, and today we're going to be doing a video highlight of the McIntosh MCT80 CD and SACD transport. Listen to your CDs and your SACDs over and over again in the best quality that you can expect and that you would from a brand like McIntosh. With their rich history of CD transports, the MCT80 is ready to join your McIntosh collection and make a perfect match with their slim form factor pieces, such as the MHA150 headphone amplifier and the MXA80 audio system. But before we get into all the great features of the MCT80 and what makes a Mac transport set apart from everything else, make sure you guys click that subscribe button and that bell notification icon right next to it so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming highlights. Now then, the MCT80 and why McIntosh makes a name for themselves also in the world of CDs. The MCT80 is a CD transport, meaning that it has one job, and that is to read the CD as accurately as possible and then offload that digital information to be processed into analog via a different component. The MCT80 accomplishes this by using a twin laser optical pickup for optimal, very accurate reading, and it is capable of reading at twice the speed of other CD players to ensure every bit of information is pulled off the CD. This also ensures a better rate of error correction. When using the MCT80, it is designed to be used alongside any other product that features a digital analog converter somewhere in the signal path and is usually used via either digital coax out, optical digital out, or in the case of McIntosh products, their own proprietary MCT digital transport solution for CD players to Macintosh amps. Both the optical and coaxial digital out offer up to 24-bit 192 kHz digital output. However, that special Mac MCT connector I mentioned has a trick up its sleeve that makes it especially worthwhile. It can output DSD information, and it does so on SACDs at a level of DSD 128. Alright guys, now we're going to talk about compatibility. So let's start off with what formats of CDs that you can play in this device. This can play CDs, SACDs, homemade data CDs such as MP3 or Windows Media File CDs, which have been recorded onto physical media such as CD-R, CD+R, CD-RW, CD+RW. I think you guys catch my drift. Virtually anything that is, technically speaking, a compact disc format is going to work on this device almost regardless of the file type. I mentioned this before, but given that we're talking about compatibility, I will certainly mention it again. This has three modes of output, all digital: optical, digital coax, and McIntosh MCT. And finally, there are both power control and data ports on the back for easy integration with other Macintosh components for making a complete and easy to operate stack. And going off that point, this is designed to pair up perfectly with the McIntosh MHA150 headphone amplifier, the MXA80 all-in-one audio system, and finally the MB50 streaming audio player. Put all those components together in one great Macintosh slimline stack, and you've got one phenomenal audio system that occupies a relatively smaller footprint versus the classic Mac form factor. The piano black glass face, the green Macintosh light up text, the excellent display on the bottom that tells you all your playback information, the aluminum sidebars, the matte finished body, the nicely polished stainless sides. It's a Macintosh. It's gonna be gorgeous, and it's gonna fit every other Mac piece to make a whole home experience beyond just what you hear and including what you see. This is going to be 11.5 inches wide. This is 19 inches in depth, and it's going to be 5.86 inches in height. And it weighs just 18.5 pounds, but it's got that hefty Mac build quality nonetheless. Now the thing with Mac products is, at first they may seem a little intimidating, as in, this is one of the best products in the entire audio space. It is by all means a bit of an investment, both in cost, in space, in weight, and in setup. But there's something about the smaller form factor of the MCT80 that just simply looks more inviting, more open, more reasonable, easier to approach. And it's a very inviting piece that still offers you every drop of that quality that we talk about every time I feature a McIntosh product. For $4,000, the MCT80 is ready to introduce you to the world of high-end CD playback, and it does all this in a package that is easy to integrate and operate while producing all of the charm we know Mac for. So if you guys want to up your CD playback level to SACD and do it in McIntosh style, head on over to SkyByGramophone.com where you can check out securely and have one of these lovely units shipped fast and free straight to your door. When building your McIntosh stack, it's equally important that you have high quality cable to go along with these high quality electronics. Scroll down to the accessories section to see specific McIntosh cables handpicked to be the perfect pairing with your McIntosh product. And make sure to give us a call and stop by one of our showroom locations, because McIntosh is one of those products that must be heard and must be seen with your own 2 ears and your own 2 eyes to fully believe, and we'd love to deliver that experience to you. You'll find us in Timonium, Columbia, and Gaithersburg, Maryland. We also have a very lovely kitchen design center in Hunt Valley. You can find us on social media too. We're on Facebook, Instagram, House, Twitter, and a handful of others. Just check the links down below. If you guys need help coming up with project ideas, if you need to schedule a service request, or you want to speak to one of our hi-fi home theater and interior design experts, get inspired at Gramophone.com. Also, ask at Gramophone.com if you have any questions for me regarding any of the products that I've covered here on the channel and you want to know a little bit more. Alright guys, please give us a thumbs up and like this video if you enjoyed your time here. Drop a comment down below, tell me what you think, and subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But I want to hear from you guys specifically, what do you think of the MCT80 and what is your dream McIntosh piece? That's the question of the day. Also, what would you like to see us review in the future? Thank you for watching. Be seeing you.